Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the basic DAC techniques. This is the schematic of the DAC. See here, DAC means digital to analog converter. DAC means digital to analog converter. So we are giving the digital input as the binary word D1 to DN, and we are taking the analog output. This analog output, it can be either voltage or current. And this binary input, remember this D1 is the MSB bit and DN is the LSB bit. MSB for most significant bit and LSB for least significant bit. See how we write here. D1 is the most significant bit and DN is the least significant bit. And see how it moves. See, the input is an n bit binary word. Okay, total we can say D1 to DN as D capital D, and this is combined with some reference voltage VR. So this gives one analog output signal. So this analog output signal, it may be either voltage or current. So mathematically this DAC, it is written as V0 is equals to output V0 is equals to K into VFS. VFS for full scale output voltage and this K for scaling factor. Usually it will be adjusted to unity, and this is the bits, digital bits. D1 2 power minus 1 plus D2 2 power minus 2 and so on, Dn 2 power minus n. So these are all the word bit. And D1, you see, most significant bit with a weight of VFS by 2. How VFS by 2? See, D1 by 2. D1 into 2 power minus 1 is written as D1 by 2. And D2 into 2 power minus 2 is written as D2 by 2 power 2. Okay. And so on. Dn divided by 2 power n. So that's why it is written D1 most significant bit weight of VFS by 2 and Dn least significant bit with a weight of VFS by 2 power n. This is the least significant bit and this is the most significant bit. And also remember this full scale output voltage. See, in the problems, when they are giving the problems, they will mention the voltage range 0 to 10 volts, 0 to 5 volts. Okay, so that is nothing but the VFS, full scale output voltage. So in our subject we are going to discuss about 3 ways to implement this DACs. First is weighted resistor, digital to analog converter, or 2R ladder DAC, inverted or 2R ladder DAC. When you are studying, you study like this only. Weighted resistor DAC or 2R ladder DAC. Then only you can remember what is the digital to analog technique and analog to digital technique. Inverted or 2R ladder DAC. Okay. So these are the 3 techniques. So now first we shall see this weighted resistor DAC technique. Weighted resistor DAC. So this is the weighted resistor DAC. This is a simple weighted resistor DAC. So observe the circuit carefully. Here always for the op amp we are connecting the negative feedback. Feedback one resistor RF will be there. And these are all the 2R resistors. All the resistors are of same value, that is 2R. 2R is the resistor value. And observe here you have the reference voltage minus VR. See, observe 2 lines. This is one line and this is other line. This line all we are connecting to minus VR and all this we are connecting to ground. Okay. See, whenever we say, here it is D1, D2, D3 and so on, Dn. As we know, D1 is the most significant bit and Dn is the least significant bit. So, whenever if D1 is 0, here there is a switch point, this switch point. If it is 0 means D1 is 0 means it should be connected here. Whenever D1 is 1 means this should be connected over here. See here what we drawn in our circuit. D1 is connected to 0, D2 is connected to 0, D3 is connected to minus VR. Minus VR is nothing but 1. Okay, we can say it as a logical 1. If you write D1, D2, D3, then it becomes 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, like that it goes. First you should write D1 as MSB. See, first we should write D1 MSB, then D2, then D3, like that. So first we made D1 in the circuit 0, D2 0, D3 is connected to 1. Okay, as we are giving negative reference voltage and as it is a inverting op amp, okay, so at the analog output you are going to get the positive staircase. It is a negative reference voltage and it is a inverting op amp, so it is going to give the analog output as positive staircase. This is the positive staircase. So see here the matter is written, it is using the n electron switches. Okay, so yes. The total current I is nothing but addition of all the currents. See here, all the currents here. Currents are written as I1, I2, I3 and so on In. What this total current I0. Okay, this I0 is made to divide in all these resistors. So total current I0 is equals to I1 plus I2 and so on In. We know from Ohm's law I is equals to V by R. So the V is here V reference. VR by what is the resistor we are using? 2R into D1. And VR by 2 power 2 into R D2 and so on VR, so on. So VR by R into D1 2 power minus 1. So this is the basic equation. First in the basic equation we studied, right? See this, the basic equation we studied. V0 is equals to KVS into D1 2 power minus 1. The same we got here. VR by R into D1. So what is VR into, if we want the output voltage V0, then we should write I0 into RF. Feedback resistor is RF. Current is I0. So V0 is I0 into RF. So I0 is VR into RF by R into this equation. So compare this equation, okay. This is the first equation. If we compare this with that, what is VFS, what is K, we can write, okay. So we can write VFS is here VR and K is 1, okay, and RF is nothing but R. Why? Because if you take RF is equals to R, then both gets cancelled, okay. So this is the explanation, and this accuracy and stability of this R to R depends on the resistors we are using. See, for better resolution, we should increase the binary input word. If we increase the binary input word, then number of resistors also should get increased. Is it right? See, for one resistor, one binary word. For one resistor, one binary word. To improve the resolution, if you improve the number of bits, so you are increasing the number of bits. But see, the final value you are going to get a large resistance value. So to maintain such large resistance value is not possible. So this is the main disadvantage in this weighted resistor DAC. So we are moving for the next DAC technique called R2R ladder. R2R ladder. Yes. This is R2R ladder. To overcome the disadvantage of weighted resistor DAC, we are going for this R2R ladder. So see, I am taking one example. This is the R2R ladder. See here, in weighted resistor only one resistor 2R is there. Yes. But in this R2R ladder, you have both R resistance as well as 2R resistance. See, I am taking the example of input 0, 0, 1. See the connection. 1 is the, D3 is the least significant bit and D1 is the most significant bit. So D1 is connected to 0, D2 is connected to 0, D3 is connected to 1. So this is the input 0, 0, 1. So how to proceed with this type of circuit? So observe here, first keep apart this part. Okay. So take only this part. Don't remember this part now. Take only this part. Yeah. So 2R, 2R, see R, 2R, it is connected to ground. R, 2R connected to ground. R, this should be connected to minus V reference. And here 2R. But how I wrote here minus VR means, see, this connection it will go here, right? So that's why here it is connected. Both are 2R resistance. And here we are giving minus VR. So I can connect it here. Simple logic we should think. Okay. So now solve this equations. R is in parallel with 2R. Why? Because the current flowing here is dividing here. Okay. So R is in parallel with 2R. So if you calculate, you are going to get 2R by 3. So replace R 2R by 2R by 3 as it is remaining R 2R R 2R 2R minus VR. So here again this R is in series with 2R by 3. See, from the current going to the R, here no division is there. So that's why it is in series. So R in series with 2R by 3. So add, you are going to get 5R by 3. So 5R by 3 is in parallel with again 2R. So 2R in parallel with 5R by 3. If you calculate, you are going to get 10R by 3. Don't forget to mention the nodes. Okay. So here you are going to get 10R by 3. R, 2R, 2R minus VR is still like that. Now this R is in series with 10 by 11 R. So if you add, you are going to get 21 by 11 R. 21 by 11 R. And this 21 by 11 R is in parallel with 2R. So if we calculate, you are going to get 42 by 43 R. See, this is node A. This is node A. 2R minus VR 42 by 43 R. Now here you should apply the voltage divider rule to know what is the voltage across this VA point, VA node. What is the voltage across VA node? You apply the voltage divider rule. So voltage across VA is nothing but VA is equals to VCC into opposite resistance by total resistance. Here VCC is minus VR into opposite resistance 42 by 43 into R divided by 2R plus 42 by 43 into R. So you are going to get minus VR into 21 by 64. This is the voltage, VA voltage, right? So now if you want the voltage across B, so now this part, this total part you remove and here you write it as, minus VR 21 by 64 R 10 by 11 R 10 by 11 R to know the voltage across this node B. See how I wrote. See, R 10 by 11 R and you got the voltage at node is minus 21 by 64 VR. So now to calculate the voltage, same apply voltage divider rule. VB is equals to voltage minus 21 by 64 VR into opposite resistance is 10 by 11 R divided by total resistance. So it becomes minus 5 by 32 VR. Again you want the voltage across node C. So you know the voltage across node B. See here. You know the voltage across node B. You want voltage across node C. So now voltage across B you write. R 2R by 3 will be there and C will be there. Now you write the voltage here. So what we got the voltage across node B as minus 5 by 32 VR. R 2R by 3. So voltage across node C is VC is equals to VCC and here is minus 5 by 32 VR into 2R by 3 by total resistance. It becomes minus VR by 16. So we got the voltages across VA, VB and VC. See how I wrote here. Voltage across node C is minus 21 by 64 VR. Voltage across node B is minus 5 by 32 VR. Voltage across C is minus 1 by 16 VR. So now if you want the output voltage V0, so output voltage V0 for inverting amplifier is minus RF by R into Vi. So same we written. Feedback resistance is RF is nothing but, so as you know, for inverting amplifier V0 is equals to minus RF by R into Vi. Here our feedback resistance RF is 2R, okay, and resistance is R into Vi. Input is here VR by 16 minus VR by 16. So output you are going to get VR by 8, okay. See, as the main disadvantage with R2R ladder is that as the input increases, okay, the resistor values, the burden on the resistors increases and more power dissipation will be there. So to avoid that, we are going for inverted R2R ladder, which I shall discuss in the next video. Thank you.